Alright, just turned off the freeway going through the little town of Sprague, Washington. Sunday morning, heading down into Rock Creek here to do a little bird hunting today. Nice and clear. Temperatures probably go be in the 30s. Probably, I don't know, later day might get up into the upper 40s. But, should be a good day. Well, we've been hiking for about an hour. One covey of huns got up, but they got up way out of range. This juniper behind me, we got an old rooster up out of it. I thought the dog was gonna pluck the thing out of midair, so I had to hold back on my shot until the rooster cleared the dog. And well, anyway, I whiffed both shots at the thing. But pretty good spot for them. A lot of juniper berries. I don't know, these berries, if you want to eat them, they taste a little bit like gin. But pretty good habitat for a bird. Anyway, I'm going to take a layer off. And we'll keep on cruising here. Okay, we got a layer off. That feels better. Got some water. We'll continue on here. It's like almost 2 miles into the hunt here. Get her done. Well, came across the freshwater pond here. Go take a little break. Water the dogs up. And getting up a few birds. A lot of single hens. A few roosters that, again, I whiffed my shot at one of them. Should have had him, but dogs have settled down and are working pretty good now. We're going to take a break here and eat maybe a granola bar and some peanuts and get some water myself. Well, pretty nice day. I'm sitting here by this pond, resting a little bit, letting the dogs get some water. They've been working pretty hard. But I think we'll work, looks like a pretty good valley here. I think we'll work our way up this valley, see what we can get. And if we get a little rooster up, maybe I've settled down enough I can connect with him. So, I know. We'll keep on moving here. Right now, I don't know, it's about 50 degrees here, so almost need to take another layer off. We had some jerky and peanuts and got some water, so I think we're good to go again. Shot of some of the country I've been hiking through. We're out here in the scab lands. Probably about 4 miles, I would guess. Yeah, we just came down this little draw or swell, or whatever you want to call it. Dogs got up a nice little rooster. I did a shot on it, and that's what we've been after. They're a pretty bird. They taste pretty good too. But, dog and man did a good one on this one. It was beautiful. Well, I think we got about 2 miles back to the truck here. think the dogs might have had enough here. Daisy's limping pretty bad and walking here right under my feet. It's usually indicator that she's had enough for the day. We've been pushing pretty hard, so got one pheasant in the bag. I think we just kind of ease on back to pickup here. Yeah, she's limping pretty bad on her right hind foot, so I think we'll not push it any harder here. Follow this. I know this road goes on back to about where I parked the pickup. Saw quite a few hunters back on the main road. But I sure didn't see anybody back in here where I went. Yeah, I see a couple of hunters working that flat over there. Looks pretty good, but I think that's been pounded pretty hard. There was a couple rigs in there this morning when I came by. I doubt there's any birds. You got to get back in here a couple miles before you start hitting the birds. Down along the main road there, that's been hunted pretty hard. All right, we made it back to the pickup here, our starting point. It was a good, I don't know, batteries died in my GPS, but it was a good 6-mile loop we did. A few birds. Get out of there. No. Go sit here, relax for a little bit, making some top ramen there. Get out. Eat that, drink a couple of beers, and I think we'll be on our way home. Daisy's plumb tuckered out. She crawled underneath the pickup and sleeping. I'll probably have to drag her out of there and put her in her box here. Her hind leg was hurting her pretty bad. I'll get my first aid kit, see if I got some aspirin, give her some aspirin to help kill the pain there a little bit. Anyway, I think I'll just sit here and kind of enjoy this late fall day. It was a good hunt today. We got her done. Well, that's Daisy. She had a good hunt today. She's hurting pretty bad. Not sure what's wrong with that leg. She sure doesn't want to put any weight on it. She's the one that got the old rooster up today. Dixie was the one that did the retrieve on it. She had a good day. Yeah, that's it. That's dog's life right there. Well, I'm heading home. This is where I was hunting today, on the Revere ranch. Not a bad spot to go. Quite a few acres here. Then there's some BLM property adjacent to it. A lot of ground here to cover. There's a few hunters here on the main road, but they didn't get very far off of it. I had to get back in there a couple miles before I started getting into some birds. Anyway, this property is managed by the Washington Fish and Wildlife and Army Corps of Engineers. I think they bought this ranch as as some mitigation measures for all the hydroelectric dams on the Snake River and the habitat loss that was associated with those dams. Anyway, this is a good spot. I don't mind sharing it because I know people don't get back into where I was at. Anyway, I'm heading home. It was a good day. Dogs are tired. I think I'll take them home, feed them, and put them to bed. And I'm probably go get in the hot tub and call it a day.